In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete scheduled post on Facebook page. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. Once that menu opens, I'm selecting my Facebook page so I can switch over to the page I want to manage. If you have more than one page, just make sure you pick the right one here, because the scheduled post we're deleting will only be inside that specific page. Now that I'm on the page, I'm looking for Professional Dashboard, or on some layouts it may show Meta Business Suite instead. Either one is fine. I'm just opening the area where the page content tools are. Once that opens, I'm looking for Content or Planner. The wording can be a little different depending on the layout, but I'm following the same path and clicking into the section where scheduled content is managed. At this point, I'm clicking scheduled posts. This is the part I need because it shows the posts that are set to go live later. Once the list loads, I'm just looking through it until I find the exact post I want to delete. I'm taking a second here to make sure I've got the right one, because once I remove it, that scheduled post won't be there anymore. Now that I've found the post, I'm clicking the three dots next to it. That opens the post options, and from here I'm looking for delete post. As soon as I see it, I'm clicking it. Facebook will usually give me one more prompt here, just to make sure I really want to delete the scheduled post, so when that confirmation appears, I'm clicking delete again to confirm it. And that's it, the scheduled post is deleted and it won't be published later, so the whole flow is actually pretty smooth once you know where to go. I open Facebook, click my profile picture in the top right, select my Facebook page, open Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite, go into Content or Planner, click Scheduled Posts, find the post I want to delete, click the three dots next to it, choose Delete Post, and confirm by clicking Delete. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal, but the path is usually very close. The main thing is getting into your page tools first, then opening the scheduled post section and using the three dot menu on the post itself. Just go one click at a time, and once you confirm that final delete button, the scheduled post is gone and you're all set.